Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your YouTube channel link. So first, in your device, what you need to do is go to the YouTube apps, and then here tap on your profile photo at the top, and here click on your channel, this one, and then in your channel page, click on the three dots icon at the top, and you'll find the share option. Just select that, and then you can just copy the link, this one right here, and then the link of your channel has been copied, and then you can just share it into whoever you want in your contact or your friends or family. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can get your YouTube channel link. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.